15 things every girl wants from her man. Every girl has needs. And when she's in the bedroom, she can be a sexy vixen or a sultry siren, but it's not a one-sided game, my friend. Every girl wants her man to do a few things for her too, especially in bed. So here's a list of 15 things we admit we want from our man in bed. We are sure our feelings are mutual here. Right, girl? Let us know in the comments below. Here is the list of the top 15 things that every woman wants in bed from her men. 1. Cuddling, especially after sex. 2. Talking about anything and everything even if it's not important. 3. Or talking dirty works too. 4. Say our name. Yes, we like hearing it especially in bed. 5. Go slow. We've got all the time, sweetheart. 6. Kiss us everywhere. We can never get enough of it. 7. A little bit of role-playing hurt nobody, right? 8. Compliments about our sexy lingerie or that thing we just did to you. 9. Caressing. Slowly. Yes, it turns us on. 10. Smell good? Yes, sweaty is hot, but we also love it when you smell great, especially with our favorite scent. 11. Take control. We still find that really hot in bed. 12. Tease. We can't help but admit that we like it. 13. Last longer, or at least try to. 14. Have fun. We don't want it to be like you are giving an exam, because that makes us uncomfortable too. Loosen up. 15. Satisfy us. Just because you are done does not mean it's over. Don't just roll over and sleep.